I haven't been down this area for a couple of years. It's still on my property, but the water is so low, I've never ever been able to actually walk the riverbed, I guess you could say. Go around here. Guess I got a few trees to harvest. They've pulled up. Come springtime, this water will be 20-some feet wide, and that looks like a fish right there. Or a froggy. Definitely come down here and harvest this wood. Anybody want any rocks? They're free. Plenty of minnows in that little pool. I guess I need to make some more trails. Come to this part of the property. Oh. Fish were not big, but they're skedaddling out of here. Fuck up this. Huh. Talk about a drought. Wow. 6 years that I've owned this, I've never seen no water flowing. Oh, we got a little puddle here. Anything good in here? Oh, there's a nice fish. I think that one got. It's a pretty good sized one. Go. Oops. Almost lost it there. Well, there's a couple good sized fish in here. Probably about 8-9 inches. Little trout. Let's go a little bit further back. But where to step? Where not to step is the question. I don't feel like taking a bath. It's not Saturday night. Oh, a lot of little guys in here. Huh. Guess where they came down from. Almost. Close, but not close enough. Wow. I personally have not been back here, I think, since the day I bought this place. It is growing in. Huh. Well, that's it for me. Can't go any further with my tennis shoes on, but I think I will come back. I got a few trees I can harvest in this area here. Put them on the sawmill. Anyways, let me get back. View of part of the river. And the deer are coming through it. So that must be their trail. I'm walking right through there. I think that's another one right here. It's kind of bedded down.